In order to upload your assignments and paperwork for final moderation, you need to take a clean, empty USB, delete any files if it's one you've already used, and you need to create some folders on the USB that you've got, and within each folder you need to create subfolders with the name of each unit. So this is an example of maths. And if we just go down to science, you'll see that there are some of the units that you may have studied there. The names are just there for illustration. Within each of the subfolders, you will be placing a copy of your feedback sheet, which will be in a Word format, and a copy of your unit assessment, either from a Moodle quiz or from a Turnitin assignment. In order to upload a Moodle quiz, you need to go to the Moodle quiz and open it. You need to right-click on the quiz and choose Print. When the Print dialog box comes up, go to Change and choose to save it as a PDF file. Click on Save, and then go to your USB again. I'll make a little bit of a glitch here. There we are. No, I've missed it. So we'll just wait and try again. Come on, David, pull yourself together. There we are. Removable disk, and we'll click on the cells subfolder, and we're going to save that cells unit assessment into the cells subfolder. What we now need to do is to add our feedback sheet for that. So I'll show you how to do that now. What you'll need to do is to scan the feedback sheet that you've been given. You can do this either using an iPhone scanner or one of the flatbed scanners in college. Open it up so that you can see the grade. Just go to Save As, and again just choose your removable disk, your USB, like so. Go into the Science folder. There's the Cells subfolder, and this will save as a Word document. And there it is, saved safely. So now if we look in the cells folder, we'll see we've got our feedback sheet, and we've also got the cells unit assessment. And you'll need to do that for all of the subjects that you have and all of the units within each subject. The moderator won't be able to see any lab sheets or worksheets that you've uploaded unless you actually include them in a separate folder. So if we take practical science as an example, when we look at the practical science within the science folder, you'll see that we've created an additional subfolder called uploaded worksheets. Within that, you place all of the things that you've uploaded. I know it means you've got to do it twice, but otherwise the moderator can't actually make sure that the work's actually being completed. And obviously in the main part of that folder you'll include your feedback sheet and the 2 write-ups that you submitted via Turnitin for osmosis and membrane permeability, or whatever it was that you actually wrote up. You'll need to do this for any units where that's been the case, and that includes microbiology and some of the other units as well.